Is what's going to sell the policy.
Go on now. You better move on.
You think you got me? They ain't got me. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Yeah. Yeah, man. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Hey, man.
Morning, Mr. Bird.
Morning, Billy.
Time to shut down that pool.
I got a real algae problem back there.
I'll take a look.
Sure, if you need anything, come inside.
Yes, sir.
James?
What you doing out here in your pajamas, Mr. Bird?
Come out to sneak a smoke. Supposed to quit, Vicky don't know.
I ain't gonna tell it. I was just passing. Had a show at the Omni tonight.
Right.
So maybe you and Vicky wanna come along. Got a hot new home section. Tight. They coming along, Mr. Bird?
We got plans, James. Vicky family coming over.
How you think about it? See what Vicky say.
Yeah? She's still in charge. Well, you're looking well.
You know, I just get stronger and stronger. Get better and better every day.
I ain't seen you since...
Teddy's funeral.
Right, Teddy's funeral. Well, you're looking damn good. I wish you would have
We
called
brought him
me.
home. That's it, though, didn't we, Mr. Bird? We brought him on home. Sent him on to the law.
Okay, Mr. Bird.